What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. We are finally actually finishing up the studio. So I have like stuff here and we're putting up shelf. I don't know if you can tell, but I got this from IKEA. And I have that one. And, oh jeez, this one. Oh, we still have the paint, whatever, so we don't get paint everywhere. So, holy cow. Putting these up today, and then we're gonna put some knickknacks up here. I think somewhere we have the earbuds, the Bluetooth earbuds that I hated, but people still bought. They were like, great, thanks for the review, we're gonna buy it. So I don't know, that was confusing. But anyway, we're just gonna put some knickknacks up here, and we'll finally be finished. Let's get to work. Here you go. That's it. Thank you for that. That's like a microcosm of having anything to do with this cat. Hang on, there's a cat. Much more important than you. Alright. So I'm gonna bring it. So we want it here. What are you doing there? Leveling poorly. How does that stud finder work? Miracles. Okay, good. Because magnets and ICP. Get it? Do you get it?
Good work there. Did you just draw on the wall we just spent forever painting?
I'm literally going to place it here.
Fine.
What did you think I was going to use the pencil for?
Back to the more important things.
Okay, well that's not in focus. So we have one shelf put in, it's fancy, floating. And then we drilled, Corey complained, because this is technically his house. Right there. There we go, we got 4, these are actually 1/2-inch holes. So you see those 2, and then another one way down here. Boom. That's for that big boy. Over 75 inches. Gotta be amazing. All right, so after like minutes of hard work, actually been over like an hour or 2, we have stuff completed. So there's, like I said, big shelf here. We got our little guy up here. And I don't know, of course, if you want to look up at that, probably that's a Sennheiser box and those are AKG. Triggered. Anyway, yeah, we are now shenanigans. If you've seen that movie, you know what I'm talking about. No, you cannot pistol whip. So we have, it won't look like this. This is extremely cluttered, but just some things we've already reviewed and some things we will review in the future. But really excited. This is like finally looking the way we want it to look. And we'll be here next week with Detroit Tech Review as long as Premiere lets me export it. Peace out. Whoa, extreme close up. It's Wayne's World. Wayne's World. Wayne's World. Right down. England.